Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, October 1st, and I've got a couple of announcements I wanted to share with you really quick. I'm so happy you're here this morning. So, a couple things that I wanted to talk about is number one, the pumpkins on the wall behind me. I sewed that up last night on my channel live with my good friend Russ. The cutting instructions for that are on my blog now, which I'll link down below. There's no pattern. It was just something I threw together. Probably from the cuts, you'll be able to figure it out. But if not, you can go ahead and check out that video. I'll also link that down below. The next announcement I want to talk about, and some of you have already seen it, which is really exciting. But if you haven't, right here on my channel and three of my other friends' channels, we have put up a video about a collab that we are doing. It's really, really fun. So we're calling it the 4S Club Collab because all of our names starts with S. We have Sean, the guy who sews, my good friend Shannon of Slate Arts, Stephen of Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and of course myself, Stephanie. So this is kind of a fun and different thing for all of us. We each picked 3 patterns that we have been wanting to work on, and we're leaving it up to you to choose. So it's kind of like choose your own adventure, except the viewers are choosing for us. So be kind. But we are so excited to do this, and we're excited to involve you and let you pick which quilts we do. We're going to be showing our progress along the way on each of these quilts in our vlogs. And then we're going to come together for a sew day in December. And we're also going to come together in January to show you our final quilt. So I hope you'll go over and check that video out. I will link that also at the end of this video. And go vote for my pattern choice, and also for Sean's and Steven's and Shannon's. So that's announcement number 2. Announcement number 3. I have a friend, her name is Belle. She is from, I wrote it down so I don't say it wrong. It's called Seams Sew Me. So that is her company. She's an amazing pattern writer. She teaches all over the country. She's really well known, and she also designs dies for AccuQuilt. And she has a new die coming out this Tuesday. So I'm going to link her video for Tuesday. It's not live yet. Obviously, it's this Tuesday. It's noon Eastern time. No, 1 Eastern time. Sorry, I get the time zones mixed up. 1 o'clock Eastern time, 12 Central time. They're going to put out the video about her new die. And I will also put her affiliate link if you are interested in her die. She does a lot of English paper piecing. She does traditional piecing. She's just an amazing pattern writer. I've looked at her patterns. They're great. So I want you to go check her out because she's just fabulous. So that will be coming out this Tuesday. So go over there, watch that announcement video from AccuQuilt and Belle. And if you like the die, hopefully you'll choose to use her affiliate link and send her a little love. So thank you for that. The next thing I want to talk about is Moda Stitch Pink. So every October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Moda Stitch Pink does a sew along. This year they chose Camille Russ Kelly's line Lighthearted because it's just beautiful and perfect for this program. And she came up with this pattern, Adore. Now, the other day in my UFO whip vlog update, I told you guys that I have a kit to give away, and I'm sticking to that promise. So I am going to put the giveaway name in this somewhere in this video. I need to pull it with a random comment picker yet and put it up, and then whoever wins, you'll need to contact me at stephanies.stitches@yahoo.com. That's my email address. That's the only way to get in touch with me to claim your prize. But I hope you love it as much as I do, and I hope you'll sew along with me. But what I wanted to say is because it's October 1st, I'm going to be starting the sew along. So the first block is going to be the center medallion one right here. And then there's 12 other blocks. So throughout the month of October, I'm going to be doing a sew along with this and a tutorial on each of the blocks. Now, if you want to sew along with me and you don't have the kit, they are available at Pastry Shop Quilts. They're sponsoring this sew along with me. And you can go grab one there, or you can grab the pattern. If you want to sew from your stash, you're definitely allowed to do that. Go to thimbleblossoms.com. That's Camille Ross Kelly's website. I'll also link that down below. You can grab the pattern and sew along with me. I will be showing, doing a tutorial, but I'm not going to give any of the sizes away since it's not my pattern. That wouldn't be fair. But I want to help you guys get through this quilt, and actually it'll help me get through it because it'll keep me on track to get it sewn. Now, I don't have a set schedule. It's just going to depend on my personal schedule when I put these up, but definitely they'll be sprinkled throughout the month of October, and we'll get through each and every block. So look for the center medallion either later today or tomorrow, just depends on how long it takes me to make that video, and I will have that done soon. But I wanted to announce the winner now. Congratulations to the winner. I'm super excited for you. Please email me within 48 hours. So today is Sunday. I need to hear from you by Tuesday so I can get this kit out to you. If I don't hear from you by Tuesday, I'm going to pick a new winner on Wednesday. I want to get this out as soon as possible, so whoever's going to sew along with me will have their kit sooner than later. Yay! So my email is in the description box below this video, so you can contact me there. I need your name and your address. I can't wait to get this out to you. I'm really, really excited about this sew along, if you guys can't tell. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be a gorgeous quilt. So look for the block later today or tomorrow. Just depends on my schedule, how soon I can get it up. I'm hoping to get it up later today since it's October 1st. That would be fun. But if I do, it'll be like this evening. It won't be like this morning. So also don't forget to go over to my channel, Sean's channel, Steven's channel, and Shannon's channel, and vote for the pattern that you want each of us, because we each have different patterns, for each of us to sew over the next few months. We are so excited to do this. We're so excited to share it with you guys and each other. So make sure you go ahead and do that. And then Tuesday, make sure you go over to the link that I've posted in the description box below for Belle's new die, Belle of Seams Sew Me, and check out her new AccuQuilt die. I think it's going to be fabulous. I would love for you guys to support her. She's a really sweetheart lady. Like I said, she writes patterns. She does FPP. She does all kinds of things. And she's opening a new retreat center sometime next year. So I'm really excited about that, because you guys know I love doing my retreats, and I think she's going to have a great one. So check all those people out. I will link all of that for you down below in the description box. If you look at the description box, it's the gray box underneath this video, and you can hit the more button and you'll see everything right listed down there. All right, I'm going to get out of here because I've got some sewing to do. Hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.